after all that waiting and procrastinating, you finally decided you're ready to learn dropshipping. Good. I'm happy to help. Firstly, I know that there are thousands of videos out there about how to start, and it can all get so overwhelming so fast that you just end up giving up and going back to scrolling. But you made the right choice by clicking on my video because I'm going to show you my way, the simplest, fastest, cheapest, and in my opinion, the best way to start dropshipping going into 2025. Let me pull out some of my receipts real quick. This was my first successful store 4 years ago. I started this one back in 2022, and this store I literally started this year in April. Not to mention the hundreds of people I've helped to see results like this. The point is, I've done this tons of times, over multiple stores and multiple years. So you can trust me rather than someone who just got lucky once. I started my dropshipping journey back in 2021 and documented my entire progress on my Instagram and YouTube so you can check it out. So in this video, I'm going to clear up any of the confusions you have, teach you everything I learned throughout my time dropshipping. I'll give you my tips, tricks, suppliers, and even a bonus add-on to your store that has always helped me boost my sales. I'm going to give you everything you need to start today, right now. So let's get into it. First of all, real quick, what is dropshipping? The simplest way I can explain it is you find a product from a supplier. There are specific supplier websites set up just for this, like AutoDS, but more on my favorite suppliers later. Then you create your own website storefront and list that product for a higher price. Your job then is to find a way to get customers onto your website and to purchase from you through your social media marketing and branding. After you get orders, your supplier website automatically ships out the product directly to your customers without you ever touching the product. Simple. Not always easy, but simple. So to start, let's get into finding your first winning product to sell. You might be asking, what is a winning product and how do you find one for yourself? Well, when I look for winning products, I need my product to either solve a common problem, fulfill a desire, or have a certain wow factor that will catch people's attention. Some criteria I like to keep in mind is, of course, does this product offer value? Whether it's fun, status, convenience, or time saving, the more value a product provides, the more money you can make from it. Is this product in demand? I know this one seems too obvious, but you have to ask yourself, is there even a target market for this? And will people even need this? Next is it a good niche to be in? I would recommend choosing a niche you're passionate about or at least knowledgeable in. If you know lots about pets, for example, then you can choose to sell pet supplies. That way, you'll have a better understanding of your target audience and can speak their language. Can you make videos of your product? Because with the method I'm going to teach you, you will rely on going viral on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. We're gonna be filming our own content, so that means you need to choose a product that is convenient and efficient to film with. For example, don't sell makeup or skincare products if you don't feel comfortable showing your face in videos. Can I find this product somewhere else? Easily. Essentially, you don't want your product to be something super accessible that can be easily found at Walmart, Target, or Amazon. You don't want that much competition. You can also check supplier websites for winning products. For example, AutoDS has the trending product and handpicked product tab. Going on social media and searching up hashtags like holiday products, TikTok made me buy it, must-haves of your niche is also a great way. Now, let's talk supplier. AutoDS is my first choice. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping tool, essentially like the supplier website that I talked about earlier. They have amazing product research features like handpicked trending products that get updated daily, TikTok ads insights, and these detailed reports to help you decide. I've been using their platform for years now, and I gotta give them credit for my success because they saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars and a ton of time. AutoDS surpasses other supplier websites by offering you the best price across multiple suppliers and ensures faster shipping times compared to AliExpress that will make you wait weeks for a product. So once you have your supplier in place and have chosen a product, it is time to build the store. You might be thinking, that sounds difficult. How do you actually build a store? The old way that I learned when I first started would have taken you a week if you were a complete beginner, as you would have to do everything yourself, from the layout of the store, making different pages, downloading a ton of apps, the list goes on. But this is the new way of doing things. Scroll down to the description of this video and click the first link labeled Build Your Store. Once you do that, it will take you to a page where you can get a free AI build store in less than 2 minutes. My team and I worked so hard to make this happen. This store will be professional quality and built based on all the latest trends, ensuring you get a high converting and good looking store right off the bat. Click Build My Free Store to start the process. You will then complete a form and edit some details, then create a Shopify account. Shopify offers a free 3-day trial, and after that, you will just pay $1 for that first month. Depending on your location, it varies. Once you have a Shopify account, you can start uploading products from AutoDS into your store. Since I picked the fitness niche, all my products are going to be workout related. Now, the AI is going to put everything together, making sure it looks good and fits your niche. And boom, you have a store that's ready to go. It's that straightforward. You can track orders, see contact information and the other policies, and of course, purchase a product. From there, I definitely recommend you to make some small changes and edits to ensure the store fits your aesthetic and style, also to make yourself stand out more. But this is a very good store to start with. While on the topic of edits and changes you can make to your store, let me get back to the bonus feature I mentioned earlier in this video. It is called the Axe Checkbox Upsell. Essentially, what you can do is from your product page, add a customizable checkbox to sell your customers into an additional item. This example shows that you're selling shoes, and additionally, your customers can select a cleaning brush and expedited shipping, quickly increasing the average order values for your store and making you more profits. I love this feature, and you can try it for yourself and see how it works down below in my description. You guys don't understand how privileged you are, because I've made hundreds of stores and spent countless hours doing it, but now it's incredibly easy. Now that you've got a finished website, it's time to drive traffic to it. So let's talk marketing. There are 2 ways to bring customers to your website: paid ads and organic marketing. With paid ads, you pay platforms like Facebook, TikTok, or Google to show your ads in front of people, but the downside to this method is that it can cost hundreds or sometimes even thousands of dollars to test ads before you can find a profitable one. And if you're starting where I started from, that's definitely not an option. On the other hand, organic marketing is how I made my money. I take my products, make a TikTok and an Instagram account, film and edit videos on my phone, post consistently, and try to go viral. And of course, I have a tutorial on how to do that. Once you go viral, people would then click the link to your website in your bio, and every sale you make will be profitable since you didn't spend anything on ads. By the way, before you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, you won't be able to link your website directly, but you can link your Instagram account and have your website on your Instagram. This is the easiest way for beginners to get started because it literally doesn't take much. It's all about learning the skill of going viral and selling with videos. It's pretty much like what people are doing with TikTok Shop, but you just get to have your own store and make more profit. Once you master that, you will never be broke again. You can make 50K, 100K using this method, no problem. Let me quickly run down a few of the key things to keep in mind when trying to go viral on social media. First, you need to have an engaging hook in the first few seconds of your video to stop the viewers from scrolling. Then you also need to make sure the rest of your video is interesting and engaging to watch so the viewers don't scroll away halfway through, because watch time is a key metric. Second, research to understand your target audience and create content that directly speaks to their pain points and desires. Otherwise, your videos are gonna end up in front of the people that don't even want or need your product. And third, consistency is key. When you start on a new account, I recommend you to post at least 3 times a day. That way you can post a variety of your content. For example, storytelling, entertaining, motivational, reviews, Q&A, things like that, so you can then review what works and what doesn't. And as I mentioned before, since you can't have your website in your bio when you have under 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can have call to actions like follow for more or check out our store on Instagram to still get people onto your Instagram and go to your website. Keep in mind that TikTok is not the only platform you can advertise on. Be creative and use Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Twitter, and etc. Now, as we're reaching the end of this video, I want to thank you for making it all the way through. Congrats on being ready to start your dropshipping journey. I hope you learned something valuable today, and remember to always be resourceful on your journey. There's a solution to every problem, and I promise you, you are more capable than you think. I'm always here to help and support you. If you want to connect with me and have me guide you step by step, then my private learning program is the place for you. It's where you'll be able to find like-minded entrepreneurs who are on the same journey as you, as well as a place where you can connect with me and my team on a daily basis. You can apply to join by sending me a message on Instagram. Since you stayed till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a discount when you DM me the words YouTube student. In conclusion, starting a dropshipping business from scratch is a simple process, but it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. However, you have to remember, to be good at anything is hard. You've got to choose your heart. Do you want the heart of building a business that could bring you financial, location, and time freedom? Or do you want the heart of being stuck at a job you hate? And with that, good luck, happy dropshipping, and I'll see you at the top.